What if I told you it was possible to get a business set up and ready to start making sales within the next 24 to 48 hours? Hi, I'm Cece, and I'm going to break down for you how this is possible. So if you're someone who has been interested in making passive income online, utilizing digital products, but you don't know what to create or don't want to create your own product, this video is for you. So the reason why this is possible to have a business up and running within, say, 24 to 48 hours is by utilizing a done-for-you business. So you purchase a product with a one-time fee that gives you the resale rights to get 100% profit every time you sell that product. And it comes with a automated system ready to go for you. So you've already got the templates for a landing page. You've already got the templates for all of the email automations set up for you and ready to go. The only thing you need to do is connect it all. So you would go in and get your own domain name, and then you would go through short videos and just connect all of the pieces. From there, you just start marketing and bringing people into your automations in order to be able to make the sales. A product like this is great for busy moms or for anyone that doesn't want to either take the time or doesn't have the time or knowledge in order to create your own product. So that's something you can always do in the future, but this is a great first step to get you into this industry. If you want to dive deeper into how this works, go below and grab my free PDF guide that breaks down the 5 different steps of automating a business, and you can check out the course that I took in order to be able to do this. It gives you the resale rights so that you can sell the course as you are learning how to make a passive income business. You also have the opportunity to get certified in digital marketing through this course so that you're confident that you have the skills needed in order to be successful. And there are modules within this course that also teach you how to utilize affiliate marketing along with this so that you can have multiple streams of income, as well as modules that teach you how to create your own digital product so that as you grow, you can add that as an additional stream of income as well.